It was nice to have some warmer temperatures today to start off the work week. This weekend, we ended things with some snowfall. Let's recap some of the snowfall accumulations that we experienced in southeast Minnesota and northeast Iowa. We had a small band of heavy snowfall set up just over some portions of northeast Iowa with snowfall accumulations anywhere in purple here. So through portions of Osage, Cresco, Decorah, Mason City, upwards of about 5 to 8 inches of snow. Most of southeast Minnesota, we ranged anywhere from about 2 to 4 inches. Most areas saw right around 3 inches here in Rochester. As we look more specific totals, Cresco, Iowa getting up to 8 inches of snowfall. Riceville just over 8. Decorah just under 8. Mason City at 6 inches. Officially at the Rochester International Airport, 4.6. Picked up a little bit of a dusting overnight. Here at the studio, northwest side of town, only about 3 inches of snowfall. That's what most of Rochester saw, at least the metro area, staying north of the airport there, getting anywhere from about 3 to 3.5 inches. What to expect here for tonight? We actually might see some rainfall in the forecast. Tonight we'll deal with some drizzly conditions, maybe some flurries overnight into early Tuesday morning. Mild week overall. We'll expect to see temperatures anywhere from the 30s to maybe even the 40s possible come Tuesday, Wednesday, and into Thursday. Precipitation chances, they'll be limited, but we will be tracking a weather maker potentially coming up by the weekend. Let's look at the big temperature swing this week compared to what we just experienced last week. High temperatures tomorrow expected in the mid to upper 30s. Compare that to last Tuesday with a high of 9 degrees. We're 27 degrees warmer potentially coming up tomorrow. And take a look at the difference, 24, 16, 21, and then 15 degrees for the difference by the upcoming weekend. So those temperatures are fairly comfortable, looking at above average and above freezing type conditions, even by Friday and Saturday. Highs still expected in the mid to upper 30s. Outside currently tonight, we have a nice little sunset, some clearing here on our Lucinato live camera in Grand Meadow. We can see a little bit of clearing on Signal Hill, but overall though, still dealing with some overcast skies, some wet roadways here as we start to get some snow melting this evening as well. Temperatures are at 35 degrees. Winds breezy out of the southwest, and we'll deal with strong southwesterly winds. Normally in the winter months when we have some warmer temperatures, it's normally associated with some breezy southerly winds. We have that tonight at about 18 miles per hour. Feel like temperature only at 24, so it's comfortable outside so far compared to what we've been used to. We'll continue to deal with mid to upper 30s. Might actually pick up a degree or two here as we move through the overnight hours. As we look at future track radar, a little bit of a disturbance to the north and northeast. We might be able to clip in some very light rainfall here within the next couple of hours. I think from about 7 until 10 o'clock tonight is when we'll deal with maybe just some very light rain. Notice by 9 o'clock tonight, especially to the east of the Mississippi River, along the Mississippi River and to the east is where we'll deal with some rainfall, some sprinkles likely for Rochester here through the overnight hours. Tomorrow we'll see some sunshine early, work in a chance for some very light rain yet again for tomorrow night. Maybe some accumulations, maybe upwards of 3 to 5/100ths of an inch, but not getting over 1/10 of an inch for tomorrow. For tonight here, your town forecast temperatures dropping down into the upper 20s, so close to our seasonal high temperature. Same with northeast Iowa, will deal with some breezy conditions. Your town forecast for tomorrow, high temperatures mid to upper 30s, maybe squeeze out a 40-degree temperature across the Mississippi River Valley. In northeast Iowa, temperatures once again mid to upper 30s. 7-day forecast for us, we're down to 32 for the high on Wednesday, upper 20s likely on Thursday, and then this weekend tracking that weather maker for Sunday. That'll do it for your Weather Authority forecast. We're back right after this.